Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. So first we will draw these circles of 150 mm diameter, then we will draw one more circle of 120 mm diameter and one more circle of 100 mm diameter. So here I am closing this window and go to Fusion 360 interface. Go to home position, select the plane, create a circle of 100 mm. Create one more circle of, as per the drawing, 120 and 150. So here I am creating 120. One more circle of 150. After creating all these circles, what we have to do next, we will draw a circle of 50 mm diameter and 80 mm diameter. In this way. Now the distance between the center of this circle and this circle should be 150 mm as per our drawing. Tab, select this line command, draw a line, press, select this coincident, one and this one, similarly select this one and this. Press escape. Now the next, what we have to do, we have to create this arc of 200 mm diameter. For that, what we have to do, we will create a circle of 200 mm diameter. This way, select this tangent, this one and this one, this one and this one. Press escape. Now select this trim command and trim this edge. Now the next, what you have to create this edge. For that we will use mirror command. Select this one and this line is a mirror line, and as you can see we have created the same. Now the next, we have to create this one. For that, what we have to do, select this mirror command, this and this. Before that, we have to create a line for mirroring all the features of this particular image. So escape. Now select this mirror, select this one, and mirror out. From here, you select this and press OK. So as you can see, we have created almost the same profile what we have seen in this particular image. Now finish the sketch, go to home position. From here we can see the base of this one is around 70 minus of 40, 40 minus 20, up to 20 it is same. So from here we will select this extrude command, select this one, and this one, and up to 20 mm we will create this way. Now the next, what we have to do, we have to provide the height to this one is up to 20 and here also 20 and this is up to 50. For that, what we have to do, select this one, sorry, select this extrude command, select this one, select this one, and we can provide extrude up to 70. So just select here 70, and here you can choose this join. We have created one thing, another, press OK. Again, we will choose this extrude command, select this one and this one, and the distance up to 40 mm, and from here choose again join and press OK. From here, now we will provide appearance to this particular object. So from here we provide blue, we can also provide green color to this one. So as you can see, we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image. This is the way how to create various kinds of objects with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.